Every network engineer dreams of building the perfect lab rack until it starts acting like a live demo during a client call. Let's talk about what usually goes wrong and how to fix it like a professional. Mistake 1. Cables everywhere, no labeling, just faith. When something breaks, you spend more time tracing cables than fixing the issue. Solution. Follow a labeling scheme from day 1. Port-to-port clarity saves real troubleshooting time. Mistake 2. One PDU powering everything. It works fine until one plug slips out and your redundant core switch goes offline. Fix. Dual power feeds, separate circuits. Treat your rack like a mini data center, not a DIY shelf. Mistake 3. Devices stacked with zero ventilation. Hot air rises, and so does your switch temperature. Fix. Maintain front-to-back airflow, use blanking panels, and leave breathing space. Even routers need oxygen. Mistake 4. No documentation, just mental notes. Then 3 months later, nobody remembers which uplink goes where. Fix. Maintain an updated rack diagram and port map, physical and digital. Your future self will thank you. Mistake 5. No spare optics, no spare cables, and zero console adapters. You only realize it after something fails at midnight. Fix. Build a rack survival kit, spare SFPS, power cords, and loopback plugs. Remember, neat racks don't just look professional, they behave professionally. Build it once, label it twice, and document forever. That's how real network engineers rack and roll.